Hey guys, Eric from Werner Ladder, excited to show you our new ATS-72 telescoping scaffold. This is that. You have a nice rolling, portable little cube here that you can set up to a 6'6" standing height. Your average 5'7" person can reach 12'7", all inside an OSHA compliant guardrail toe board system. You're a portable scaffold with no tie-off requirement. Let me show you how to set it up, how easy it is to move around. You can fit this in any elevator. You can fit this, through any man door, even the smallest van, no problem. You have two transportation straps right here. And one on the back side. So one in the front, one on the back side. I like to clip them back up, limit my trip hazards. This is my toe board system. I'll put that aside for now. I'm gonna open it a little bit, and I'm gonna take my platform out. I'm gonna put my platform aside for a moment, and we will open the scaffold just like that. We're gonna do our guardrails. This is all tool-free. Everything's connected to the scaffold. You can't forget it in the truck or anything like that. Everything you need in the box, ready to go. We did our top guardrail, now we're doing our bottom guardrail, or a mid guardrail, I should say. And now you can go from 3'7" to 6'6". We're gonna go all the way up to the top today. There we are. We're set up for 6'6", and it's time to put the platform back on. I like to push through a little bit. Get it. There we go. So now my platform's on. I have two latches right here. You get a good shot of that right here. You can see here I'm set up at 6'6". So that's the red diamond, and then I lifted all the other levels here. You can see what that looks like. And then I'm gonna take my cross diagonals to the red anchor right here. I got red, yellow, blue. Let me show you what that looks like over here. It's my brace right here. I bring that down. You can see I got red. Red matches red. And that just clicks in just like that. If I went too far, yellow for yellow, I can't get to yellow. You can only set it up the right way. We also have blue for blue. Back to red. And we have to do 4 of these. Just like that. And we're ready to get our toe boards installed. So your short side, I'm going to get in place for later. Your short side here, you have these hooks that hook right into the slots right here. You want that J up, that fish hook up to lock in. Just like that. I'm gonna deploy my outriggers at 45 degrees. I can also keep it at 90 if I need to get close to a wall. 45 degrees if I'm working on the ceiling above me. I'm gonna lock my casters and load down my foot pad right there. You can micro adjust those as well, add a little tension, take tension off. And there is a bubble level back here to ensure you're on level ground. And that is the ATS-72. It is now ready to climb, but I want to ensure everything's safe. You have these locking latches all the way on every rung. Every rung is extended right now, so you need to make sure that your lock is in contact with the black ring. If I had a problem, I would see that there's space between the locking latch and the black ring. There is a safety mechanism in there so it can't fall down, but pop it back in, make sure you're locked. Make sure all your casters are locked. Everything looks good on this side. Everything looks good on this side, so now I'm ready to climb. We have a trap door inside here, so I'm always safe inside my guardrail system. Rated for 500 pounds for one person. Can set it up in minutes and ready to work before you know it. I'm at 6'6". Average person can touch 12'7".